Hey everyone, so we bought this house about a year ago, and we soon discovered that it had a lot of issues regarding damp and mould and things like that. So we didn't know what to do, and this video is just to show you what kind of measures we put in. Most days we put the windows on the night latch at night, but you can see we still get a lot of condensation. We've bought a lot of these, they're in nearly every room. And I went and purchased just a tiny dehumidifier, sits in our hallway, just sucking air out, and it's not really cured the problem in any way. You can see nearly every single window is absolutely drenched. We've got really bad mould in key areas, but we spent a lot of time trying to get this mould problem resolved, and this condensation problem, and we spent a lot of money. We also bought all of these, and they're in every single room. So what we did was we kept searching. We realised we'd forked out a ton of money trying to do all these things, and we finally found a company called EnviroVent, and this is just a video diary to see, because they've promised me that this whole problem will go, and I can get rid of all these dehumidifiers, take them all out and no longer use them. So it's the Saturday before we get the EnviroVent fitted. This is what we wake up to. It's 8 AM and it says it's about 11 degrees. So my little boy's room, you can see the wall is absolutely soaked. Behind the curtain, it's running down. His windows, they've been open, you can see condensation everywhere. And then hopefully you can see, look, it piles up on the windowsill to the point where it's just horrendous. So EnviroVent have been out, and this is what they fitted in the loft. So you can see he's told us that if it's white and grey, the filter, that's fine. If it goes black, we need to change it. We've got this setting and model, I guess. I wasn't actually here for the installation, so it's kind of just what we learn. And then obviously it just goes straight down and in, and I'll just go as close as I can to it and you'll see how noisy it is. So in my eyes, absolutely perfect. Morning everyone, it's been 4 days now since our EnviroVent PIV system's been fitted, and as I said, I'd give you an update after 2, because that's what they said. 1 to 2 days you'll see the small changes, 4 to 6 weeks you'll see the big. It's got to be 5 days later because just work and other things getting in the way, but what I can start with is what a fantastic system it is. So let me just show you the really damp corner that we had before, down there. So you can see the watermarks where it stained the wallpaper, but that is actually dry. I've been down there, I've touched it. It was dry within the first day, if I'm honest. Okay, look at the windows. So I remember showing you the windows, and they were covered in water. Again, look, nothing. Remember, here was soaking dry. So incredible response. We noticed the changes within the first 12 hours, if I'm honest, and he did say subtle changes. I remember showing you the bathroom. Here we go, look, dry, nothing at all. My little boy's room, you remember, was the worst hit area. So I'll show you the corner. These are old watermarks that I need to wash off, but it's dry, completely dry. Again, Normally we have water running down there. That's old, so this is old, this is not wet, this is dry. His windows, do you remember they had it on? Completely dry. And if you remember his windowsill, it used to be wet. Look at that, bone dry. So it's an incredible system. We've actually, to prove, we had a dehumidifier up there, we've taken it out. We had one over here, which you can't see, the lights off, sorry it's dark. We had one there, if you remember, it's gone, we took it out, and that was to prove this system would work. So would I recommend that you get one of these? And by the way, it's gone through the whole house. 100%, everything the man said has happened, and I can't begin to tell you the relief of not having to wake up every morning and wipe down all the windows and windowsills. Fantastic system, fully recommended. Thank you EnviroVent, and I hope more people buy them.